Peace and love, family. Peace and love. So we at the Passaic Police Department in Passaic, New Jersey. Last year in February 2020, a woman that I'm assisting had trouble with an officer in which her rights was violated and she was unlawfully arrested. So her case got finished last week and all charges was dismissed. So now, since her rights been violated, her constitutional rights been violated, the next step for you to do is to sue. And this is what you're looking at right now. We have all the letters to all the officers involved, including Mayor Hector Laura. So you serve the police station and the officers their paperwork, and you also serve the mayor his paperwork of his notice of intent to sue. So right now, as you can see, we about to go into the police station and we about to serve these papers to these officers and the sergeant.
Hi, good afternoon.
So follow me along.
My son has wonderful. If you want to know what happened in the work so, but you know about because last night, me and his friend, ellos están trabajando en un papel, todavía no lo tienen listo. All right.
It's closed. I gotta take my mask off for you. How you doing today, brother? Damn, it's so good to see you. I'm alright. So, this is what I need from you today, Officer Ragsdale. And yes, I'm recording because I'm on official duty right now. And what I need is to inspect the login of every officer on duty today and the cars that are assigned to them. Not detectives, just the officers who are on duty today. I just want to inspect them.
You have to speak to the sergeant on that.
That's fine. That's fine.
I'm gonna have to speak to the sergeant.
Okay.
All right, one second.
Sure.
How's she doing?
She's a. I just want to inspect the what officers are on duty today, and I want to inspect the vehicles that they in. I don't want to inspect the vehicle. I just want the log. Oh, it's the sergeant. How you doing, sergeant?
How are you?
All right. I want the log with every officer who signed in today, and I want the vehicles assigned to them.
Did you go to records for that?
No, I did not.
The windows at the end? To the left.
Oh, you guys want to keep that?
No, we gotta get that from records.
Okay. Oh, another thing. I'll do it when I. How you doing today? Can you hear me? I just came from the police department right here, And what I'm trying to do is trying to get the login for every officer who was on duty, not the detectives, today, and the vehicles assigned to them.
You're asking me about all the officers that drive vehicles today?
Correct.
I would know that. You have to ask at the front, sir.
He just told me that you would know
I just give
that.
out records. I don't know the cars that went out and the officers that went out.
Okay, so that should be readily available under NJSA 471A.
Okay, you can ask at the front, sir.
Yes, and he just told me to come here.
Okay, let me go to the front.
Okay. Passaic Police Department. With the bullshit already. She's crazy. She said she wouldn't know what cars went out and what officers are here today. You're supposed to have the login sheet already prepared. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice.
It's Passaic Police Department, y'all. Got a nice couple of awards on here. Very nice. They got some more over there. Wow.
They're nice. Look at these too. Look at these.
I don't know what this is about. Some cool, pretty neat history up here. A lot of awards. What you think this is?
I don't know. Records? What is this?
Ain't this a bitch? What that say? Logbook. What
That's
were you
funny.
looking for? Yeah, it's crazy.
It's funny. First black man.
Leroy Collins.
Oh, wow.
Some
That's
pretty
amazing.
neat history.
Do they help you guys out? help
She
you
told
out?
us
She
to
told
wait.
us to wait for you.
Okay,
Y'all was
so
putting it
I just
together.
spoke to the administration.
Okay.
So you gotta go administration.
Okay.
So you gotta go. Have you gone to the clerk's office yet?
No.
Okay, go to the clerk's office in the administration, which is over there by City Hall,
Okay.
and ask for them to put in an open request. Okay. Once you put in an open request, then they'll send it over here, and then you'll get it from them.
Okay. So,
Alright, so it's at the clerk's office.
I understand Oprah, right?
Right.
But that's not what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for the record. What
Right.
I'm looking for is to inspect, to look at. Y'all
Right,
supposed
you
to
still
have a
gotta do it over-
login book readily accessible for me to look at under
Right.
NJSA 471A.
Okay. So I
So,
just.
you know, that's the law. Law.
Right. So I just spoke to the administration upstairs, and they told me to refer you guys to the clerk's office.
Okay, so who am I going to see at the clerk office? Okay, so who am I going to see at the clerk office? Because I'm not looking for an open request.
Amada. Her name is Amada. Maada.
Yeah, but isn't she working at home today? I call every other
She's not
day.
there?
She's not there. She's at home.
So I don't know when she's gonna come back.
But once again, I'm not looking for an open request. I'm looking to inspect. That means to look at the login of every officer coming in today and the vehicles assigned to them. This is supposed to be readily available to me as a member of the public under NJSA 471A.
Correct. So I just spoke to the administration. My boss is upstairs.
I know you said that.
And they told me to direct you guys to the clerk's office.
Okay.
Okay?
So this is my second question to you, okay? The reason why I'm looking for the login is to see if any of these officers and sergeant is available. But since you a sergeant, I'm assuming that I can hand you this paperwork, which is this. This is a letter for
Okay.
these officers and this sergeant here.
You want me to give this to the officers and the sergeant?
Correct.
right?
Sergeant Michelle Mustad,
Okay.
Officer Joshua Torres, Officer Steve Gill, and Officer Roberto Cancel.
Okay.
Okay?
I'll hand it over to them.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate your help.
No problem.
Thank you. You too. You've been served.
City of Passaic, you've been served.
That's right. Mayor Hector Laura.
Mayor Hector Laura, this is Mayor Hector Laura. I'll put in the paper in the envelope.
Okay.
Paper in the envelope. She was like, I was like, huh? And here is. Oh, there he is.
There he goes. How you doing today? I was told by the mayor's secretary that you guys are open today, but not open to the public. I asked her, I need to hand the mayor a letter. She said she can take it, but you can take it for her and you'll send it up there to the mayor. Thank you.
Thank you.
I appreciate your help. What's your name, by the way, brother?
Franklin, bro.
Franklin?
Franklin Solano.
It's
My
nice
last
to
name
meet you.
Solano.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Family. Hey, man. You probably don't remember me, but I remember you, bro. You know what I mean? Stay up, man. I love you, bro.
You joined? You right?